This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at the corner of Briar and Broadway in Lakeview East, looking at the terrific strip of one-of-a-kind shops, restaurants, bars, a lively, fun scene with great public transit. Mariano's and Export Fitness are a short block south, and I'm headed a half block east for a walk through one of the apartments at 515 West Briar. I'm at apartment 609, a studio, looking out into the treetops, turning into a really bright and sunny living, dining, sleeping area. There's a ceiling fan, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Getting back toward the front door, there's a closet off to my left. Kitchen would have been off to your left as you walked into the apartment. Has contrasting white and espresso tone cabinetry. Black appliances include a 4-burner gas range with a range hood. It's a tile backsplash and a stainless steel sink. Sun gives a really great feel to this room. Heading back toward the bath, there's a walk-through closet, good shelving and hanging space, plank flooring again, and the bath has radiator heat, tile wainscoting. There's a pedestal sink with a wall-mounted medicine cabinet up above. 515 Briar has a terrific Lakeview East location. It's pet-friendly. It's a small business center. It definitely belongs on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.